Hey guys, this video is about bid strategies in Google Ads. So, for every marketing strategy, strategies are the part. So, in Google Ads also there are some strategies to reach our goals according to the our need, according to our conversion, according to our views. So we have to know about strategies because without knowing strategies our ads will mislead. Some ads maybe will not convert, so our budget will be wasted. So we have to know about our bid strategies in Google Ads. Let's come to the point. Introduction. Google Ads offers several bid strategies that are tailored to different type of campaigns, and it is mainly depends on clicks, impressions, conversions, views. So, what is click? A click or clicks is a marketing metric that counts the number of times user have clicked on a digital advertising to reach online property. So, then ad impression is a count of total number of times digital advertisements display on someone's screens within publisher network. So I will show the live example the difference between impression and click. So I searched for um, I searched for online classes like that, online classes. So when I searched with that, this is the website indexed on the top. So when I clicked here, the landing page will be open, right? This is called click. After seeing the website, we are clicked and we are entered into the website. We are opened the landing page. That is called click. But without clicking, I just scroll down and I just visited the website. Visibility counts is nothing but impression. That means without clicking, visiting the website link, that is called impression. When I searched a keyword like online classes, that too there are so many websites came in the list. So this website got one impression and this website got another impression. So this is called impressions. Click means when I click something, that is called click. The landing page open, that is called click. That is the difference between the impression and clicks. So next thing is conversions. So conversion, an action that counted when someone interacts your ad. For example, clicks a test ad or views or view ad, then takes an action. That is called a conversion. So let's I will show the when I see again online classes, the keyword and the website. I am clicking the website. So after clicking, they are giving some details about the courses. Just I am checking the course. So when I so this is the offer they are giving their service. So if I want this package, I should add to cart, buy now, shop now, or visit website, or so different goals will be there, right? That is called action or interaction. That is called conversion. After visitor visiting the website, there will be some interaction. They will interact with us. That is called conversations. Sorry, conversions. So return on investment. Return on investment means measure the gain or loss generated on investment related to the the amount of money invested, that is nothing but profit margin or loss, profit or loss. After investment there will be profit or loss, that is called return on investment. The calculating that metrics is nothing but return on investment. So next thing is the conversion value, guys. Conversion value is a numerical value that you assign to specific conversions in order to represent the impact to your business. It is calculated by dividing conversions by the total eligible interactions like ad clicks or video views. So I will give the I should explain about the value. So conversion value is nothing but the value of the interaction. That means for every ad there in Google Ads there will be some goals. That is nothing but a sales funnel or traffic funnel like that. So for impression, that means the level of the customer is that we have to give 1 point to the that customer if the impression, if they get impressed by the visitor. And second thing is click is the second level, so we have to give 2 points who visits that website. And third point is interaction. Interaction is third point. So if the traffic increase, the interaction increase, then we have to give more points, we have to give more value to that visitors. How this is how the sales funnel works, and conversion value works. You have to calculate according to the interaction level of the customer.